What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is the day I was talking about in the last video. If you haven't seen that, you already know it's going to be in the cards above. Me and my stepdad, also joined by my mom. I must say, having a support group is amazing. You can go so much farther in life with it. So make sure the people you're around are supporting you through it all. You'll do great things. Now that I'm done being spiritual, let's get to the topic of the video, and that is drag racing. We're gonna go to a test and tune event up at Cecil County Dragway, so if any of y'all are close, be sure to let me know. We can either run it at the track or get together, make a video, whatever the case may be. So today I will be racing a 2001 ZRX 1200. The numbers are the most even we could get with the bikes that he has. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you've seen him and his crazy bikes. But these two, naked, his a 1200, mine's a 750. He makes about 15 to 20 more horsepower than me, and I think torque he makes like 10 or 15 more as well. So, and also I'm heavier. He's got a heavier bike, but I'm a heavier gentleman. But we'll see how it works out. This is why you should have comps, because I could have told him, hey knucklehead, go to the right. Chris, to go back there. Back there. Just so we're pretty, I don't know, as close as we can get. I already know how this outcome's going to go, but I am going to learn the knowledge of launching this bike. I've heard it from a few of my subscribers talking to them, and people on the internet. You know, people can talk big and bad until you get behind a bike like this that has pretty decent torque numbers. It's a little nerve-wracking to launch. And now that I have it turned up even more, I'm not super familiar with it. So we're going to do some baby launches. I'm not going to do burnouts and all that stuff. So if that's what you're into, we're not doing that today. We're going to go through the prep box and just line up as usual. If I spin, I spin. If not, we'll see how it goes. But my outcome, I think we should be, these say these bikes run stock like 11.2, and that, I don't know. I'm not an experienced drag racer with motorcycles, so I know that if I'm close to that time, I'm doing good, even if this bike's capable of more. So that's my goal, is to be as close to 11.2 as possible. Not really sure how it's gonna work out, but we shall see. But enough with the rambling on. We're gonna see y'all at the track. My nerves are through the roof. Let's go, baby! That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God, dude, I'm so nervous for no reason. We killed it on that one. I'm curious on what we ran. That felt really good. God, that felt so good. First run too, killed it. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we ran a 11.9 at 120. I hope they don't say nothing to me. because anything over 120 you need I don't even know what it was, kill switch and leathers and all that, but they're letting us run with no leathers, so appreciate that. Now I know next time definitely need leathers. So there we go, we're in the 11s class. We're right there, but hey, we still did it. 11.9. It felt much faster than that. Oh my God, we got to check engine light, for the love of God. Can I catch a break? Well, I don't know, wheel probably spun or something. I ain't really worried about it, to be honest with you. I know what he's thinking in his head right now. I think he stalled it at the light. It's all good. Just got to regain and get it on the next one, you know? I have to see if that check engine light was on before. I really wasn't paying attention. I was just trying to hit it. I really don't know. I mean, it's working. Hopefully we do a key cycle, it'll work itself out. We're shaving the time off. What were you, 11.9 last time, 11.6 now? Hopefully I'm not going like 125 in the quarter, because then that's going to raise red flags and wonder where my leather's at, and hopefully this thing don't get me kicked out of here. Oh my God. Whew. Okay, so we've been warned, as we're going over 120, we need leathers. Like I said earlier, the guy was nice enough to let us go. You know, he's just giving us a warning. So we're going to have to cut it off kind of early, which is fine. At least we're out here running, having a good time. Had to let out a 120. I had him. I don't want to hear that. No, 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 no. I put the crown on like a king, boy. Here's the race 4. Hopefully we don't get kicked out of here. I had a real bad launch, but we made up for it. Thank you. That was a horrible run. It was. Come on. 11.8. He's got the fastest time, 11.5. Darn. I'm gonna hear about this one. My reaction was terrible. No, it was good. Okay. Then he made up for it in the 60 foot. That's where his bike shines, because he makes like I said, I think it's like 15 or 20 more horsepower right now. I don't know, it felt like I was really good and I was in front of him. I was like slower. I don't know, man. Alright, let's see what we can do here. did decent. He's getting better, so I can't really judge the time off of him because I know he's going to do crazy good. Oh man, I felt good. I felt like a good run. Hopefully it's better than the last. Hit 11.8. Yikes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man, 11.7. He did it. He got 11.3. Good for him. I got 11.7. I'm chasing an 11.63. We'll analyze this here and see what happened. What went wrong? Come on, bike, stay up. You got it. All right, let's see what we got here. 60 foot. I mean, reaction. I'm doing so good on the reaction. I mean, not crazy good, but better than him. It's just, I don't know what's going on. I'm not spinning. We might try traction control off, and we'll see what we can do there. I'm trying to see, but the wind is just not in my favor today. 2.1. He did a 2.0, killed me in a 60 foot. 8th, he killed me by 200ths. Yeah, man, he got me on that one. Good for him. 123, he's killing it. 11.3. That's awesome. I feel like this is the moment we've all been really waiting for. Getting to race a MT-09. Stretched exhaust. I'm not sure of anything else. Missed 4th, man. I think we still got the dub. I'm not sure. So I thought I got it last time, but I was mistaken. So we're gonna hope that we got it. Thank you. 11.7.
That was rough way.
Oh my God. 11. Look at your reaction time.
Damn.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
He ran 10.6.
He's quick. He's quick. So the other guy, her boyfriend, ran a 10, I can't remember what it just said. I'll throw it up on the screen, but his has motor work done, you know, tune, all that stuff. So he's quick. I think he ran a 10.6. My man right here is shaving that time down to an 11.1. He just had to get warmed up. It's his first time in the track in a long time, so you know, you got to get used to it. I feel like I'm doing good. It's just not enough, I guess. All right, I think that's the best one of the day, man. I tried to stay in as much as I could. What do we pull? We did better. We did better. 11.63. I think that's the same. No, I had 11.64 if I'm not mistaken. And if I'm off, I'm sorry. It's been a long day with a lot of numbers. 11.63 at 120. I trapped pretty high. Highest I've trapped all day was like 121, so my reactions are just not as good as I think they are. 60 foot's a 2.1. Not as good as I thought. A 60 foot is horrible. Well, you know what I chalk up today as just a learning day. We put some pretty decent numbers down. 1163 was my fastest. I think I trapped 121 as my fastest. A safe day at the track is a good day at the track, you know? What a day, oh my God. Huge shout out to the people that came out today. Showed their support, really appreciate y'all. And shout out to the people we met at the track. Y'all know who you are. I appreciate y'all for joining us on the day, having a great day. It's always nice having good friends and meeting new people. But it's just a lot to learn. I want to lower it. See if I can launch it a little harder. Improve on my 60 foot, because that's where it really ended up not doing the best and ended up screwing my time up. Man, I tell you what, I am beat up. Today, we were there for 7 hours. Just running and running and being in the sun and running and running and oh my God. I think we ran a total of 8 times. So here's the better times, learning more. If you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. Be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.